Dude, this is... Uh-oh. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and we are at an abandoned neighborhood. Look, we got hella people with us. We got racers with nitrous, and we got their little crowd right here.
Hey, man, we're gonna do a drag race, man, with the speed.
I don't know what he was saying.
You think you can tell your buddies to get up the road a little bit?
Yeah, is he about to take off? Yeah, I'll tell him to watch out. They're about to go. They're about to rip through here, so just watch out. Hey, they're about to rip. So watch out. Bro, look at this thing. Wild, bro. Oh, that thing is crazy. Uh-oh. So the problem is, like, these homies are trying to hit like a little drag, and then everyone else from like the other side of the area are coming this way, and it gets a little sketchy. It looks like it's like a full custom Banshee or something. I was just talking to the camera. I was like, the custom Banshee looks crazy.
Yeah.
It's dope. Dude, this thing sounds ridiculous. Oh, that thing is fast.
No, he ain't fast. It's faster than that.
It's faster than that? Is it, what is it, like a 450cc Banshee? Like, you guys modded the motor?
Y'all go the road.
Damn.
He's supposed to be on his side of the road.
Yeah? Bro, that thing, wow. So what you just seen right there, this is like the same sort of bike, but like, I guess a different version. And you see, blessed by the best, bro. Look at this extended rear thing. The wheelie bar. Bro, this thing just went boom and took off. That thing's sick. Bro, what? It's a Banshee motor with like a quad that's, I don't know. Bro. Alright, my turn to rip. Bro, I want to race him. Got home. Need some gas for this crazy race bike or race quad. Holy crap, that's loud. Bro, you can smell like their bikes. Got that race smell. Oh my god, this is gonna be wild. Yeah, they're about to take off, bro. I'm gonna go a little bit down. Bro, they're about to take off. Homie on the right one. Bro, I just smell race gas. That's NOS on them?
Yeah, it's a nitrous bottle.
So these bikes are nitrous bikes?
Yeah.
God damn. Damn, so this is a nitrous bottle right here?
Yeah.
What the? Can you feel it like kick in? Like, is it like?
You can notice it from when it doesn't hit and when it does.
Okay. Damn, that's
Acceleration is a little bit different.
yeah. It's not like the movies though, where you feel it like.
It depends on how big your shot is.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, well, y'all have fun.
He said we trying to drag race right here. Y'all take that shit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You mean to tell me I can't hit a loop and come back to my apartment?
No, yeah.
That's why.
Bro, you know how people think they own.
Actually, my daddy owns this. If you want to be real, my daddy owns this.
My grandma owns it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's hit the trail. All right, there. They didn't want to go. Let's go that way. We'll meet them. But yeah, this lot is it's amazing. And like the weather today is perfect. In Florida, it's been rainy so much. But shout out today, the pit bike, dirt bike gods on our flipping side. My twin on that 450, bro. We got the same bike. Even though this is 2022 and mine is 20. Hey, big 450. Dude, you scared the shit out of me, bro. Let's go. We're outside. Look at everyone cruising by, boy. Yeah, just be careful on it. That rear brake is scary, bro. You like it, right?
Super comfortable.
Yeah. I was telling him, I was like, you look more comfortable on this than your bike.
Yeah, my bike holds it.
No, yeah, this is so smooth, like.
Mad smooth,
Mm-hmm.
bro.